Well, it is summer, and that means seafood season.
We're talking about some fresh, flavorful, easy recipes. We've got a cookbook author with us. She's also the host of the Posh Pescatarian, Appetite for Adventure. We welcome in Stephanie Harris Uyidi.
And she's joining us now live via Skype. Good to see you, Stephanie.
Nice to see you too. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, we can. Love the sunflowers.
Nice kitchen.
Yeah. Stephanie, let's talk about pescatarian. Explain what that is and when you became a pescatarian.
Yeah, so pescatarians basically eat a plant-based diet supplemented with seafood. And I became a pescatarian probably 16, 18 years ago, and it had to do with some digestive issues. So I went to see a naturopath and was put on a sort of broth-based diet. And as we slowly brought things back into my diet, we discovered that plants with seafood really was the ultimate diet for me.
Stephanie, I've been to Hawaii. One of my favorite things to eat there is some poke. And you got some that you're preparing for us today?
I do. Well, I'm not preparing that for you, but I am going to demonstrate how to make it. So I've got 3 or 4 dishes here for you today, and I've got some poke. This is ahi tuna poke. You know, one of the things to remember when you're making poke at home is that you need to actually have your seafood previously frozen. That is a FDA guideline. That is to, you know, kill any of the bugs that may sort of be lurking around your fish. And Hawaii is one of my favorite places for vacation. And if you can't go to Hawaii, the best next thing is actually make poke on your own. The other best thing about poke is that you can customize it with anything that you want. You can add rice, you can add avocado, tomato, practically anything. Takes a very short period of time. Yeah. The next thing I've got for you is some ceviche. I live in Southern California. I'm assuming you do too. And Mexico, and especially Baja, is one of my favorite places to travel. And ceviche is really outstanding. I don't recommend using raw shrimp for those same reasons that I mentioned earlier, but you want to really poach your shrimp just for a couple minutes, take it out, put it in an ice bath, and then mix it in with all of your other incredible ingredients. Now, ceviche is one of those things that can be customized just like poke with avocado and tomatoes, but today what I've given you is a really straightforward recipe.
I love this next recipe, pan-seared sea scallops with local jam.
Now I'm just getting hungry. Yeah.
I almost ate all this food waiting for you guys. So pan-seared sea scallops. The good news is that sea scallops are typically available year-round. They're typically frozen, and they're very delicious and super easy to prepare. So you want to get your pan nice and hot. I like a combination of ghee and olive oil just for flavor and consistency. And you're going to pan-sear these just for about 3 minutes total, 1 minute on each side. You're going to add your jam. And when I say local jam, I mean super local. My mom made me this jam, and that's one of my favorite parts about this recipe is that it's really homegrown, really super simple. And if you're in the mood, you can throw in some other veggies like spinach and other sort of wilty things that really go great with sea scallops.
Stephanie,
So really,
Stephanie, it's front and center. I'm looking at that salmon real quick. What do you got there?
oh my God, this is Copper River salmon. My friends at Copper River Salmon sent me this really beautiful package filled with really fantastic wild fish. Are you guys fish fans? Or salmon fans, rather?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, then you know the benefits of wild fish. All of the good things, particularly with those of us who are sort of stuck indoors during this COVID period, and some folks are dealing with sort of anxiety and depression. The omega-3 fatty acids that you'll find in salmon can help sort of lift your mood, in addition to helping pregnant women and their babies sort of help their brain development. Omega-3s are awesome, and Copper River salmon is one of the grade A versions of salmon.
All right, that sounds great. Stephanie, thanks for the good energy on this Friday. We'll let our viewers know about your second edition of your cookbook. Also, her first edition is available now on Amazon.
Second edition coming out this December. To learn more about Stephanie, you could head to poshpescatarian.com. I liked her kitchen, but the food just looked a little bit better.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.